This is Patricia Huddle, and I'm going to review with you the process of making an interactive prototype in Flash from files that you are exporting from Adobe Illustrator. You can see that I have my Illustrator file up currently. I have 9 artboards that have all of the artwork on the boards, and they're in the order in which I want to place them in Flash. I'm also working in RGB color mode, which is what Flash prefers. If you need to convert your file from CMYK to RGB color mode, simply go to the File menu, go down to Document Color Mode, and select RGB, and that will affect all of the individual screens. Now I'm focusing on the quickest way to assemble the prototype. So there are other ways that I could get files out of Illustrator and bring them into Flash, but I'm going to focus on, like I said, that way that I think is the quickest. And that is, now that my files are all set up and ready to go, I'm going to go to the File menu, click Export, and I'm going to export all of my artboards as PNG files. So I'm going to select PNG from the format and use artboards because I want all of the artboards, and I'm going to say export, and it will export all of them individually, as you'll see in a moment. Now it's asking me about the resolution of images that I have in the background. Your prototype may have images, it may be all line work, and if you have all line work, you're not going to see this menu come up. I'm going to stick with the suggestions here. 72 ppi is fine for what I'm doing. And as far as the background, it's asking me if I want to maintain the white background that you're seeing here behind these images, and the answer is yes. I'm letting my artboard of white show through. So I'll say OK. And then this process takes a moment. It's writing the PNG files to the same location that my original Illustrator file was saved at. And now that that's done, I'm going to hide Illustrator, and for some odd reason it stacked all of the PNG files on top of each other on the desktop, but you can see that they are all here. Now I'm going to go to Flash, and when you're starting the new Flash document, make sure that you choose the third item down, the Action Script 3.